Hey there, it's Kevin with Classroom Composers, and in today's video, we're talking about a method book that is changing the way that we teach beginning band, and that is the Quarter Note Companion. You can find this on Teachers Pay Teachers and on J.W. Pepper, links down in the description. Let's get into it. The Quarter Note Companion, or Q&C for short, is a comprehensive method that combines proven pedagogical techniques, modern educational strategies, and a deep understanding of how today's students learn best. The Quarter Note Companion Level 1 is designed to support both new and experienced band directors with a structured yet flexible approach to music education. Available in a convenient print and go format, this book is available for 18 different instruments, ensuring seamless integration into any band program, whether it's full ensemble instruction, small groups, or private lessons. With clear, sequential instruction, engaging exercises, and built-in assessments, this method empowers teachers to guide students from their first note to confident performances. The Quarter Note Companion provides educators with essential teaching tools presented in an intuitive, visually appealing, and easy-to-follow format, allowing teachers to customize their instruction while maintaining a structured curriculum. This book includes 46 songs from 22 different countries spread out over 14 pages and includes additional resources such as instrument parts, instrument assembly, tone production, posture, and fingering charts that cater to various learning styles and classroom needs. By the end of the book, students will be able to play 9 notes, basic rhythms including eighth notes and rests, have an understanding of dynamics and tempo, and will have a basic introduction to chromatic notes. So what makes this method book stand out from other methods? Well, for starters, it's current. Most of our method books that we use in this country were all originally published in the 1990s, which is over 30 years ago. This book gets updated almost every single year and is in use with current students and current classrooms right now. As a second thing, this book is diverse and it is culturally relevant. We've included songs from 22 different countries, and we've carefully curated this book to remove any minstrel songs or songs with any sort of inappropriate or potentially offensive origins. And as a final perk, this method is completely digital. You download it, you print as many as you need for your students, and then you just store what you don't need just on the computer. So if you're ready for a change, if you're ready for a current method book, if you're ready to take your students' abilities to the next level, check us out on Teachers Pay Teachers and on J.W. Pepper, links down in the description. And as always, if you got anything of value from this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, keep teaching, keep inspiring.